So friends, in this lecture we will learn just how to create infographics using these shapes. So first infograph we made using this our rectangle tool. So just make a rectangle just like this and fill any color first. Alright, and control T, skew a bit less, something like this. And now what we have to do, just add the guidelines. Okay, so first clear all the guidelines. Okay, and now what we do, just add a new guideline. One is here and one is here, and select this pen tool. Okay, add anchor, add one is here, one, two, okay, the three and the four. Now clear your guides and select direct selection tool, and first make it inside just like this, and make it outside. Okay, so first we will make it outside and make it inside. Same with this. All right, so we will just check if this is good. So just select your move tool, and you can see, and now just make a control J. Okay, control J, control T, and flip vertical and make it here like this. Now select both layers, control T. Okay, and change it to the just like the 80%. All right, and now select, this is the top, so name it to the top and name it to the bottom, and it's down, so just press control minus, sorry, the control and the open bracket. Okay, and this is for, and this is our top layer. So what we're gonna do, just make a gradient. So just fill, select the gradient. Okay, and select this color, do it to the dark one, and for this upper part select something darker like this. All right, and just select its color, so we will need it to the bottom one. Again fill gradient. All right, and do it to the here, this, paste this color, just copy and paste like do, and again with this one. Now you see, and you can place a shadow here just like this, control G, make it a group and double click on the group, and you can just drop a shadow. Okay, the distance, size of your shadow, we need a little bit shadow. Okay, and the angle is this. All right, perfect one. So this is your first infograph you can make, and now you can just select this layer and add text. Just select the white color. Okay, and you can write anything here, just like the infograph one, and make it to the top of this group, increase its size. Okay, GRAPH, so it's again infograph one, increase its size just a little bit more. So you can place a multiple text on this one and this one. Right, and now I will teach you just how to make its a shadow here. Okay, so this will work like, first we will remove its styling, so clear layer styling. Okay, and now I will just make another group, another object just like this, and fill its color to the pink, or you can do select any color. Okay, so or we will select this color. All right, and now what we have to do is make it first fit, and now we will create a darker, like here it's will going just like this, and it's going to the this the beside of this one. Okay, so this is the front, and we are creating the backward. So for this, just select any layer, select the pen tool, the simple pen tool, and just make a point. Okay, from here to the here, and create it here just like this, a curve. Press hold down your alt key, click on the center anchor, and again one is here, and join this with a curve like this. All right, now make it a shape U, and fill the shape color. Okay, so select this one and a little bit darker, and just make it a just like this. Okay, so fit it using your wrap tool. Okay, so this is the top one, and you can also get a same with this one, or just press Ctrl J, Ctrl T, flip vertical, enter, and place this to here, and also fit it. Just zoom in. Okay, and just Ctrl T to make it a flip like this. Now wrap, Ctrl T, wrap it, and fit to the here. So you see, so just like this you can make a infograph. So this is the first infograph you can make it. Just make a group of this one, Control G to make a, okay, so select this layers, Control G, and make a infograph 1, infograph 1. All right, so second infograph we make. Okay, just hide this one, and we will make a second infograph. So just with a circle, create a circle, just hold down a shift key and fill the gradient, of course. Okay, so okay, and select this one. Okay, and now we need a stroke here. So the stroke color we will use is this one, and increase the stroke size. All right, and now you can just double click here, and here we will do is our bevel and emboss. Okay, and do it to the, so just like this we will make it to the emboss part. Okay, and depth is a little bit, size the soften part. All right, so you can adjust these things, multiply. Okay, so you see, just like this you can just increase or decrease your inner bubble type, or emboss, you can do it emboss. Okay, so and in this, let's make a group, and you can write anything in this infograph just like this. Write anything just like the infograph 2. Increase your text size, So you can create a different with a different colors, just like this is my first one. Okay, so I create another group in this and name it to the infograph 2. Okay, and make a different group just like here. Select both and decrease the size. Okay, so this is the first, this is the second, and I'm gonna change its color. Just select U and you can change its color from here to just like this. You see, and select this color, just copy and make a stroke color. So just like this you can create a multiple infographics of different colors. So this is our second infograph. All right, so now come to our third infograph. Just create a circle. Okay, and now fill color just like this. All right, and now make another circle. Just create another circle like this and fill it to the white. Make it to the top. You can drag and drop the layer just like this. Okay, now select these two layers, make a group. First name it to the info graph 3. All right, and now select this group, of course. Now select your pen tool, zoom in. Okay, and create a point just like this. Okay, so for this you can don't release this at this point and just hold an alt key, cut it here, the another point. All right, and one point here, and just make it a okay like this, make a curve. So it will not completely, so what we can do, we can do the half and half. Okay, so like this. All right, and now do it to shape. Press U, fill colors like this color and then the darker one. All right, and now what we can do, just decrease its opacity to the 50%. You see, oh, you can just adjust these points if you want to make it here. Okay, so you can just decrease it using Control T. Okay, so Control T will not work here actually. What you have to do, you can just make a hold on your the direct selection tool, select this point and you can release it here just like this. All right, and a curve here. So you can adjust the shadow part using your direct selection tool. Alright, now select this and okay, and make it to the down of this one. So you see, so just like this you can create another infograph. Okay, so we will create a multiple infographs using this the shape tools, or you can just select any design and you can just make using these shapes, or just change the shapes using their pen tool and just adjust the anchor points using the direct selection tool.